What's going on, everybody? As you can see, I just opened like one of the charts of one of my students who's in Durban. I want to show you what is really going on in the market. Look, it was yesterday 1938, late yesterday. He sent me a message and he showed me a chart where he was already in a trade, and he said, "Gold 1 hour. What do you think, Chief?" And then let me open the charts for you. As you can see, um, it's a live account, right? And he was selling. Check sell and look at what the market was, where the market was. Check and look at my response now. I said I think it will go up and fulfill the market for some entries, then continue going down. Good catch, brother. You caught a lot of pips there already. And he says, "Thank you, sir, for the knowledge and all that stuff." I want you guys to look at where the market is today. That's the key. We want to look at where the market is today. You check. This is a 1 hour, and this is a currently moving market. You see, it's at 1,329 pips. Like just like that. Look, like he caught the high of the week. That's what he did. He caught the high of the week. And when you have caught the high of the week, you don't stress. Remember, there was news also on the USD, high impact news. But what did we do? We didn't check. This is the power of trading the weekly highs, the weekly lows, the daily highs, and the daily lows. God bless you, everybody. If you haven't yet joined my team, you're missing out. If you have not yet joined my students, you are missing out. Because this is real information, classified information that we share. Let me pause a little. I want to show you that I believe in what I say. Yesterday I opened the trades like I told him, and I let them run, and then I had to get out of those trades at the end of the day. But it is what it is, people. It is what it is. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Remember, we have got a challenge coming up. We'll be trading with people for 21 days. If you're not yet a part of that, make sure you sign up for my program. I'll be trading with people. It's for a $250 challenge. My vision is to help them grow those accounts the way I've been growing small accounts, that they see the reality of Forex. Whether you're a starter or you have been in this business for a long time, but if you have not been consistent, make sure you sign up to my program. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.